everyone, it's Anna from PNW Blanks and Sublimation, and I just moved my press outside because the weather is finally warming up and I have a lot of tumblers to press, so I just thought I would move it outside for the day. And before I do anything, I want to calibrate my press. So this is a new calibration video, an updated one using the gorgeous Sasquatch PNW Deluxe Tumbler press. So I have my press set for 358 degrees, at, resting 360 degrees printing. And I have my little thermometer here. You just want a little temperature gun, infrared thermometer gun. And you're gonna shoot it first right in the middle. And I'm at 372 in the middle. And then you're gonna go 1 3/4 inches in, but it's basically going to line up with these two bolts here. So I just line it up with the bolt in the middle, and we are at 362 on this side. Make sure to rotate your hand so that the temperature gun is parallel to the heating element, or you can switch hands, either way. And we're at 362 that side. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to add all three numbers together and then average them out. So the average comes out to 365 degrees. I'm going to go ahead and zoom in on the control box over here so you can see what I'm doing here. So to calibrate it, we need to go into our second level menu settings. To do that, you're going to press and hold this square button until it says basically AR1, and then you're going to make sure you don't change any settings, and then you're going to get to where it says PB right here, big P, little b, and we're currently at 15 degrees. We want the temperature to come down, so it's actually the opposite. If we want the temperature to come down, we're going to raise our PB value. So we're going to raise it up to 20. I know that my temperature is technically 7 degrees off, but it's not a 1-to-1 value, so I don't want to raise it up 7. I'm going to raise it up about 5, and we're going to see how that goes. So I'm just going to press and hold this button again to get out of that second level menu and see how my press rised in temperature. So now it's going to come back down to that 358 degrees. Once it gets back down to 358, we'll take our temperatures again and see where we're at. Okay, our temperature is back to 358 degrees, so we're going to take our temperature gun again and just do the same thing that we just did. So in the middle we have 365. On the left we are at 350, and on the right we are at 357. I'm going to do the right side again real quick because I don't think I was at, there we go, yeah, 357, and then 357. And the average comes out to 359 degrees. I'm not going to care about 1 to 2 degrees. It's not an exact precise thing. It's not 1 to 2 degrees is not going to affect your tumblers at all. So that is how to calibrate your PNW Deluxe tumbler press. One extra thing that I do want to mention is you want to make sure that your overall average temperature is above 350 degrees. 350 degrees is the temperature for sublimation. The sublimation process won't even occur without that 350 degree temperature. I hope you found this video helpful. If you liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content. Also, don't forget to join our Facebook group, PNW Blanks Sublimation and DTF, for more tips, tricks, and tutorials. Happy pressing!